This is still this kid. Continue from the last video. Yeah, the owl usually will keep bobbing their heads because of their eye structure, right? The eye structure. Oh, another kid, he just tried to poke his head out. Yeah, just to explain the bobbing behavior because of the structure of their eyes. Their eyes have a very long focal length. So this is why they can see from far, and also their eyes are pretty big inside their in the brain, the head. So this is why they cannot rotate their eyes in their head. If they cannot rotate their eyes, what they can do is just to bobbing their head and try to focus the object and try to judge the object in the distance. Otherwise, because their eyes cannot rotate, so it sometimes is very hard for them to judge the distance of the objects. By bobbing their head, now they can constantly measure the distance of the objects. This is why the bobbing head behavior. Well, then that's a miserable sibling, and he just can't get his head out. Because this guy, as you can see in this video, and this guy is pretty much the body is perching on the edge of the nest. Before they just inside, now the body is pretty much on the edge now. So this is an indication the time is coming.